Are you ready to land your dream job? It all starts with a stellar resume and cover letter. In today's competitive job market, it's essential to make sure your application materials are flawless. First, start by proofreading your resume for any spelling or grammar errors. These small mistakes can make a big impact on how potential employers perceive you. Take the time to carefully review each section, from your contact information to your work experience. Next, don't forget to customize your resume for each job application. Tailoring your resume to the specific job requirements shows that you are serious about the position and have taken the time to research the company. Highlight your most relevant skills and experiences to stand out from the competition. When it comes to your cover letter, make sure to address it to the hiring manager whenever possible. A personalized greeting shows that you have done your homework and are genuinely interested in the position. Use the cover letter to explain why you are the perfect fit for the job and how your skills align with the company's needs. Remember, your resume and cover letter are your first impression on a potential employer. Make sure they are error-free, tailored to the job, and showcase your qualifications effectively. With these tips, you'll be one step closer to job success.